Can I just say, how the hell are we supposed to be serious after that? But anyways, we're gonna sing a song that Akhil's gonna introduce.
We're gonna sing a song called "You Raised Me Up" by Josh Rogan. The song is dedicated to all of the teachers I've had throughout my life in Roskill. Without all of your guys' support, I wouldn't be standing over here. I'd also like to thank my mum, because she's been the rock for me throughout the years. And lastly, I'd like to thank all of you guys, the ones who like me, the ones who don't, because I've learned something from every single one of you. So thank you for your support.
It's reserved.
By Josh Rogan. No one's doing it anymore. Hello. Yeah. crying, Sarah. That's a video.